I have a Black Diamond Pro Trek woman's hiking pole, and the strap needs to be replaced. I purchased a new strap through Amazon, and the tools that I require is one small screwdriver and a pair of pliers. So the first step is there is a pin that goes through. I need to push that pin all the way through as far as I can, and then from this side I need to pull it out. With this pin, as you twist while you pull is the easiest way to get it out. And then you pull and it comes out, and keep it together so that you can copy with your new strap. Following what this has done, I'm finding the buckle side is at the bottom. Then you want to fold this over top so that it forms a nice loop like that. So you are not just laying it directly on top like that, you're actually looping it so that's outside, so it forms a loop, and that's because when your hand goes in, it's comfortable on your wrist. Okay, so once you have it looped like that, you just run the top one over top of the buckle and then make a loop with your finger. Okay, so you're going to end up with the buckle on the inside and the longer strap on the outside, and this loop is where the pin is going to go through. Okay, so grabbing your hiking pole, making sure that the long bit is to the bottom, just push the loop in to the hiking pole. And I use a screwdriver to make sure it's as far in as it can go. And now the pin goes back in the hole. Because my pole is so old, I actually need to push with something. Have a look down in here that you can see the pin, so that both straps are actually looped behind the pin. Once you're happy with that, push the pin all the way through. And then just push the pin until it is flat. And you'll see the pin come back out the other side. From there, it's just a matter of adjusting where you want it before then grabbing both of them and pulling, which pushes the plastic hold back in. From there, test your size and adjust if you need to. And that is now a nice clean new wrist strap, as opposed to my horrible old wrist strap.